Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Pixlr change workspace color. Today I'll be showing you how to change your workspace color in Pixlr. As you can see right now, mine is dark, it's black, a little bit bluish, but now to change its workspace color, click on the settings on the top right of the Pixlr. After that, as you can see right here, you will see the workspace color. If you want it to be light, click on the white. You see now light, and you can change its accents color. You can make it blue or green. You see it's green now. Maybe yellow. Then just close it. There we go. You can see every time I open my Pixlr, this will be my workspace now. It's a light and yellow color. But I like my old color back, so let's put it on black and blue. Then close. There you go. Because this one gives me like a relaxed feeling with my eyes. So yeah. So that's how you change your workspace color. Go on settings and choose which accent you want and workspace color. And if you want, change your language. So thank you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I hope you guys like the video. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.